everyone, it's Anvita and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell the question and answers for grade 6 social studies chapter, the Indus Valley Civilization. In my previous video, I have sent the explanation for this chapter. Hope you all have watched that video. If you haven't, please go check it out. So without further ado, let's start the video. Fill in the blanks. The extra produced dash is known as surplus. People followed professions like dash, dash, and dash other than agriculture. Surplus causes the development of dash. The Indus Valley civilization developed in the dash part of the Indian subcontinent dash years ago. The Harappan civilization was spread over a very dash area. The Indus Valley civilization developed on the banks of dash. At almost every site, archaeologists have found a unique red pottery painted with black designs known as dash. The Indus Valley civilization covered parts of dash, 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 and dash. In India, the Indus Valley civilization extends from dash and dash in north and covers the state of dash, 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 and dash in south. The Indus Valley civilization extends up to Uttar Pradesh in the north. The dash is occupied by the dash of the dash class. The lower town was inhabited by the dash people. The lower town followed the dash system. The dash indicates that the Harappan paid great attention to dash and dash. The Great Bath was discovered at dash. The dash was one of the most important public places. Dash indicates that some kind of sacrifices was performed. Dash was the main economic activities of the people. Dash was necessary for cultivation due to low rainfall. Dash and dash are main crops in the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus people domesticated dash, 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 and dash. The remains of a brick dockyard were discovered at dash. The Indus Valley civilization developed dash script. Harappan people made clay models called dash. Harappan civilization began to decline around dash BCE. Let's see the answers. The answer for the first question is food. The answer for the second question is pottery making, metal craftsmanship, and trading. The answer for the third question is towns. Answer for the fourth one is northwestern and 4,700. Answer for the fifth question is wide. Answer for the sixth one is river Indus. Seventh question is red and black war. For the eighth question, it's Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan in modern day Pakistan. For the ninth question, Jammu and Kashmir in north and covers the state of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra in south. 10th question is Meerut. 11th question is members of the ruling class. Answer for the 12th question is common people. 13th question is grid system. 14th is drainage system, health and cleanliness. 15th is Mohenjo-daro. 16th is Great Bath. 17th is altars. 18th is agriculture. 19th is irrigation. 20th is wheat and barley. 21st is oxen, buffaloes, goats, sheep, and pigs. 22nd is Lothal, 23rd is pictographic script, 24th is terracotta figurines, and 25th is 1750. Now let's answer the following. Define civilization. A civilization is a process in which a town develops economically, socially, and culturally. Define surplus. The people produce more crops than the requirement. This extra produced crops were known as surplus. Why is the Indus Valley civilization known as the Harappan civilization? The Indus Valley civilization is known as the Harappan civilization because it is first discovered in 1921 at Harappa. Name the places where the Indus Valley civilization had covered. The Indus Valley civilization covered parts of Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan in modern-day Pakistan. Name the major crops of the Indus Valley civilization. The major crops of the Indus Valley civilization were wheat and barley. Sixth question. The Indus Valley civilization was rich in agricultural resources. Justify. The alluvial soil carried by the river Indus and its tributaries made the soil of the region very fertile. Farmers also had systems to divert the water for watering the plants and crops. Hence, the Indus Valley civilization was rich in agricultural resources. Describe the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization. The town planning is the unique feature of the Indus Valley civilization. The town planning proves that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. For example, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, and Rakhigarhi. Answer the following in 3 to 4 sentences. Explain the grid system of the Indus Valley civilization. The houses in the lower town followed a grid system. The main streets were quite wide and were laid out in a pattern. They were straight and intersected each other at right angles, thus dividing the city in large rectangular blocks or grids. This rectangular town planning was a unique feature and was not known in other civilizations. People used standardized burnt brick for good quality as building material for houses. The houses of varying sizes, often of 2 or more stories, consisted of rooms and bathroom. In Kalibangan, many houses had their own wells. Second question is, explain the drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization. The drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization was very impressive. Water flowed from houses to the streets which had drains. Sometimes these drains were covered with bricks and sometimes with stone slabs. The street drains were equipped with manholes. The drainage system indicates that the Harappans paid great attention to health and cleanliness. Third question, explain the Great Bath in the Indus Valley civilization. One of the largest buildings so far discovered in the Indus Valley civilization is the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. It appears to be one of the most important public places. It is comprised a tank made of beautiful brickwork. At the north and south ends of the Great Bath, brick steps led to the bottom of the tank, which could be emptied by a drain. It is suggested that the Great Bath was meant for some elaborate ritual or vital importance of the people. To the west of the Great Bath, there lay a large granary. It was used for storing grains. In the citadel at Harappa, we find as many as 6 granaries. A brick dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. At Kalibangan and Lothal, 5 altars have been found which indicate that some kind of sacrifice was performed here. Question number 4. Explain the features of the Indus Valley civilization. Some of the features of the Indus Valley civilization are town planning, citadel, grid system, and drainage system. Town planning. Town planning is the unique feature of the Indus Valley civilization. The town planning proves that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. For example, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, and Rakhigarhi. Citadel. To the west of each was a citadel fortified by crenellated walls. The citadel was usually based on a mount or an elevated position. It was possibly occupied by the members of the ruling class. Below the citadel lay a lower town containing brick houses which were inhabited by the common people. Grid system. The lower town followed a grid system. The main streets were quite wide and were laid out in a pattern. They were straight and intersected each other at right angles, thus dividing the city in large rectangular blocks or grids. This rectangular town planning was not known in other features. Drainage system. The drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization was very impressive. Water flowed from houses to the streets which had drains. Sometimes these drains were covered with bricks and sometimes with stone slabs. The drainage system was very well planned. Question number 5. Describe the art and craft of the Indus Valley civilization. Answer. Bronze figurines. The people of the Indus Valley civilization demonstrated great skills in making bronze figurines. The most striking of them is the dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro. The Harappan people had the knowledge of metals like gold and silver. They used to make ornaments using gold and silver. For example, beads, pendants, armlets, brooches, and bracelets. Shells were also used to make ornaments. Bead making. Bead making was an important craft in the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus people used precious metals and stones like steatite, agate, carnelian, chalcedony, and jasper to make beautiful beads. We find evidences of the bead makers' shops at Kanhudaro and Lothal. Seals. The most notable artistic achievement of the people of the Indus Valley civilization was perhaps in their seal engravings, especially those of animals which looked very realistic. The best engravings are of bull, rhinoceros, tiger, etc. Specimens of this art are to be seen also in amulets and other small objects. Around 2,000 seals have been found during excavations at various Harappan sites. Terracotta. The Harappan people also made clay models called terracotta figurines. These were made of fire-baked earthen clay and were used either as toys or objects for worship. Question number 6. Explain about the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. Harappan civilization culture began to decline around 1750 BC. Various causes have been suggested for this change. Harappan sites planning and construction became less efficient than earlier times. The city of Mohenjo-daro became weak under the pressure of populations. Influx of refugees into the city. At Mohenjo-daro, rooms were divided into smaller portions and street plans were no longer followed. The expansion of the neighboring desert increased the salinity of soil and decreased fertility. Declined the production of crops. Flood was the main cause. Excavations revealed that the Mohenjo-daro itself was flooded more than once. Traces of at least 3 main phases of deep flooding can be detected here. Rivers changed their course or dried up, which again led to the shift of populations in other areas. Hope you all like this video. Please like and share to this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.